Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Video lectures, class 4, subject English, lecture number 10, book, grammar and usage. I'm your teacher Nabila Amir from DVNL Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Let's look at the contents. Introduction. I will explain the topic. At the end, we will solve exercises on your book, Grammar and Usage. Let's revise first. Common nouns are general names for people, animals, places, and things. While proper nouns are special names for people, animals, places, and things. They always require first letter capital. Today we are going to learn another type of nouns, and that is collective nouns. Okay, let's start with the definition of collective nouns. A collective noun is a special kind of noun. It names groups of people, animals, or things. This group talks about a lot but taken as one unit. Now look at it again. This definition has 4 parts. Collective nouns name groups of people. Number 1. Number 2, they name groups of animals. Number 3, they name groups of things. And number 4, this group talks about a lot, but we take it as one unit. Now I will explain this all to you. Collective nouns are the names of groups of people. This is the first part of the definition. Let me explain it through examples. A group of students studying together, a group of players, a group of singers singing together. Now from the pictures you can see that these groups are of people and they are named by collective nouns. Let's see. A class of students, a team of players, a choir of singers. Now you can see that class, team, choir are the collective nouns for the groups of people. Collective nouns are the names of groups of animals. This is the second part of the definition. Let me explain it through examples. A group of cattle, a group of whales swimming together, a group of sheep. Now from the pictures you can see that all these groups are of animals and they are named by collective nouns, means there is a collective noun for each group of animals. Let's see. A herd of cattle, a school of whales, a flock of sheep. Now herd, school, flock are the collective nouns for the groups of animals. These are the few examples which I have given you. Collective nouns are the names of groups of things. Now this is the third part of the definition. Let me explain it through examples. Many drawers, many cards in collection, many grapes all together. Now from the pictures, you can see that these pictures are of the groups of things. Now they are also named by collective nouns, means there is a collective noun for each group. Let's see. A chest of drawers, a pack of cards, a bunch of grapes. Chest, pack, bunch are the collective nouns for the groups of things. These are the few examples which I have given you. Collective nouns talk about a lot but taken as one unit. This is the fourth part of the definition. Let me explain it through examples. A pack of wolves. Now see, this is a pack of wolves. You can see there are many wolves, but we are calling them a pack because we are taken them as one unit. A bunch of grapes. You can see many grapes all together, but we call them a bunch as they stand one unit. Now, many flowers, a group of flowers, but we call them a bouquet, taken as one unit. A crew of sailors. Now, many sailors in a group working on a ship, we call them a crew because we have taken them as one unit. Now you can see that with the collective nouns, we use a or an. Why? Because they are taken as one unit, they stand singular. Another example that shows that collective nouns stand as one unit. Now you can see there are many ants, but when they are working in a group, we call them a colony of ants, means one unit singular. We also call them an army of ants. Another thing about collective nouns, some collective nouns that name a group of animals can be used for more than one group of animals. For example, herd can be used to group of cattle. It is also used with cow, deer, buffalo. Let me give you examples. A herd of cows, a herd of deer, a herd of elephants. Now you can see that herd is used for more than one group of animals. Let's solve exercise 2 on your book, Grammar and Usage, pages 9-10. Take your pencil, sharpen it and write very neatly in blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Number 1, a dash of cards, a pack of cards. Number 2, an dash of ants, an army of ants. Number 3, a dash of singers, a choir of singers. Number 4, a dash of thieves, a gang of thieves. Number 5, a dash of monkeys, a troop of monkeys. Number 6, a dash of chickens, a brood of chickens. Number 7. A dash of cars, a fleet of cars. Number 8. A dash of wolves, a pack of wolves. Number 9. A dash of puppies, a litter of puppies. Number 10. A dash of cattle, a herd of cattle. Now students, you can see that the underlined words are the collective nouns for the groups of animals, people and things. Number 11. A dash of chopsticks, a pair of chopsticks. 12. A dash of flowers, a bouquet of flowers. 13. A dash of sailors, a crew of sailors. 14. A dash of books, a library of books. 15. A dash of grapes, a bunch of grapes. 16. A dash of drawers, a chest of drawers. 17. A dash of geese, a gaggle of geese. 18. A dash of acrobats, a troop of acrobats. 19. A dash of lions, a pride of lions. 20. A dash of policemen, a posse of policemen. Now open your book, page 11. We will solve exercise 3. It is also same. We have to use collective nouns in blanks. So let's start. Number 1. To win the match, we need a dash of good players, a team of good players. The dash of bananas is still on the table. The bunch of bananas is still on the table. Number 3. The boys were attacked by the dash of bees, swarm of bees. You can see the swarm of bees in the picture. My grandfather is very proud of his dash of valuable stamps, of his collection of valuable stamps. Romeo is the leader of the dash of musicians, the band of musicians. Number 6. The magician can perform many tricks with just a dash of cards, a pack of cards. Number 7. Mr. Lee has a dash of very hard-working students, a class of very hard-working students. Number 8. Peter ran down the dash of steps as he was late. Flight of steps means staircase. Number 9. The farmer has just sold his herd of cattle. Number 10. There is much wildlife on this dash of small islands, on this group of small islands. You can see small islands in the picture. Your home task, students, learn spellings of collective nouns on your book, Grammar and Usage, pages 9, 10, 11, which we have done today. I hope you will do it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.